It's Three Things Thursday. I'm Tom Vanderwell with Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics. It's March 5th, 2020. Each week we bring you one item trending, one item from the trenches of our projects, and one timeless principle. Iconic business leader Jack Welch passed away this past Sunday at the age of 84. That's what's trending. Over the 2 decades he was at the helm of General Electric, he grew their revenues five-fold, and GE's value during that period of time grew from $14 billion to $410 billion. Fortune named him Manager of the Century, and one of his famous and controversial strategies for fighting bureaucracy was the practice of letting go of the bottom 10% of performing employees annually. And this has me thinking about a few experiences in the trenches of Intelligentics projects. Now, when it comes to developing a methodology for assessing the quality of a company's phone calls, your call may be monitored to ensure quality purposes. Well, that's one of the things that we do. And the foundation of your methodology really comes from what you're trying to achieve. At Intelligentics, we believe that your criteria should be based and weighted on what your customers expect. And the goal should be to not only meet but exceed those expectations. This typically means setting a high standard, and because customer expectation usually always goes up, that high standard may have to be raised on occasion. Now, over the years, we have encountered clients and companies who believe that the bar should be set low enough that team members almost always get perfect QA scores without much effort. The motivation is that everyone will feel like a winner. Of course, the only loser in that scenario is the customer, who continues to get a less than excellent service experience from a representative who is being affirmed in their mediocrity. I often think of professional baseball players and football players who spend hours poring over video of every at-bat, every play, looking for opportunities to get better and excel in every performance. I think business should be the same way. Which brings me to this week's timeless principle, in which we honor the late Jack Welch, who said, "You've got to be rigorous in your appraisal system. The biggest cowards are managers who don't let people know where they stand." For 25 years, Intelligentics has been helping our clients to use intelligence from customer data in order to set a high standard for delivering an exceptional customer experience, then setting criteria to appraise and reward team members for their excellence, and to be honest with team members who are in the wrong job. I'd love to explore how we might help you and your team. Give me a call. I'm Tom Vanderwell with Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics. Have a great week.